pantay, dapat pantay.
Pantay na pantay. Pantay. Okay, pantay na. Kasi na.
Arm sideward. Sa front. Student kami!
Student!
Seryoso?
JJ ka!
Okay na?
Yes! Teacher!
Student, are you familiar with the dance, the Lido?
No!
Oh, Queenie, alam daw ni Queenie.
Yes!
Queenie, please come in front, demonstrate the Jalido. Jalido? I want to observe. Ulit, Queenie. Gusto kong i-observe niyo si Queenie kung paano yung Jalido. 1, 2, 3, go. Ano ba baka kami dyan? Baka oh, enough na. Oh, what did you observe?
Jumping. Like jumping.
Pattern. Ano pa? Yes, very good. So today, we will going to learn how to dance the Daligog dance. The Daligog dance is traditional dance of Lugwagan, which is stomping on the ground. So, nakita yung ginawa ni Queenie Olaw. And I will demonstrate the proper Jalido. First is jump. So then, go! Jump. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. So then, Simpayo atay talay niyo. So, 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. So after the jump is slide your right feet 3 times. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump and 1, 2, 3. Oh, gawin natin yun. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump, 1, 2, 3. And then slide sa other thumb to the left. Once. Then balik din sa right 3 times. Gawin na natin. 1, 2, start with the jump. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3.
Yes, teacher!
I will give you 2 minutes to practice. And later on, we will have an activity. Go. Student, ang nagpapala sila. Student, dapat pantay yung bilang ng first line at second line.
Lagputod!
Okay na? So I will group you into 2 groups. Then I will check if perfect yung jalidog yung... Kapag perfect yung jalidog, una ay... Sino naka-perfect ng jalidog ay may prize sa akin. So, ag-start kayo sa jalidog when the music play. So, 1, 2, 3, go! 1, 2, 3. Magsasabay, wait lang. Magsasabay na lang. Dire-diretso. 1, 2. Magsasabay din pa lang. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Kayo naman. 1, 2, 3, go. Jump. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, jump. 1, 2, 1. Sige, start! Memorize, flat! Sabay! Go, Jackie! Okay, enough na. Very good. May nanalo. The winner is group. Yay! Ang muna sa kanya, kuha ni Mitch. Teacher, that is unfair. Teacher, kasi ni Mitch, kaskas lang. Teacher. No, teacher. Index ko talaga. I know, teacher. Wait, gawin na Mitch lang yung may kamali, pero yung sa other side, hindi talaga.
Ulit, teacher.
You want ulit?
No, teacher. We are good.
What did you observe to that
Coordination of field.
other? Very good student. As I observed, practice yung jalidog kasi talaga kapag. Thank you very much. Okay.